understanding the phrase, rice cooker. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common household item, the rice cooker. This video will help you understand what it is, its uses, and how to talk about it in English. Let's dive in. A rice cooker is a kitchen appliance used for cooking rice. It's designed to cook rice with minimal effort and supervision. The basic components of a rice cooker include a heating element, a cooking bowl, and a thermostat. It works by boiling water, which is then absorbed by the rice until it becomes tender. Rice cookers can vary in size, features, and complexity, but their primary function remains the same: to cook rice efficiently. The concept of the rice cooker originated in Japan. The first electric rice cooker was invented in 1955 by Toshiba. It revolutionized the way people cooked rice, making it an effortless process. Since then, rice cookers have become a staple in many households around the world, especially in countries where rice is a major part of the diet. Using a rice cooker is simple. First, measure the desired amount of rice and rinse it. Then, add water to the rice in the cooking bowl. The amount of water depends on the type of rice. Place the bowl in the rice cooker and switch it on. The cooker will heat the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to simmer and finally switch off automatically when the rice is cooked. It's a convenient way to make perfect rice every time. Modern rice cookers come with various features. Some have settings for different types of rice, such as white, brown, or sushi rice. Others include steaming baskets for vegetables or dumplings, and advanced models even have functions for baking or slow cooking. Understanding these features can help you choose the right rice cooker for your needs. I hope this video has helped you understand what a rice cooker is and how it's used. It's a wonderful appliance that simplifies cooking rice, a staple food for many cultures. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.